be in the Pokemon Center right now, and I'm looking for a Mudskip, whatever it's called. I'll be super sad if there isn't one, but you know, whatever. Oh, look at all those Pikachus. Hello, sir. I have this one.
Oh god, it's very spiky. This does not seem safe.
Aw, I can't find a Mudkip. That sucks. We'll do pack opening.
Thunder and fire.
Wait, what was that one?
Fire, thunder, Frieza.
Freezer.
Yeah. They're lame names, man, in Japanese.
Oh, what's this? Oh my god! Look at these.
Wait, it's the fucking Luxats.
What's it for? It's just keychain?
Nothing, yeah. It's just a keychain, man.
That's so fun.
Alola Doug Trio, so they have like hair. It's so weird. Like the Alola variations are so strange. Like you see that? That's Mewtwo's Alola variation. They just turn into fat cats. And you know the eggs, the palm tree. The Alola variation is like a really tall neck.
Is that the one on there?
Yeah, that's the meme. Yeah.
I think I've decided that along with this little guy, I'm also gonna get an Eevee. You know what to name this fella? I think it'll look well on my boba. Let's go buy this.
I think I sent it to you.
Wow, Luigi. There's no Wario though. He'd be huge. No wait, he's right there.
Wow.
Oh fuck. It's so funny.
Oh, that's weird. That's so weird. Oh.
Shake hands, shake hands.
Put it right fucking there, mate. Put it right fucking there.
This is how you keep it handy.
This is how you get a handle.
Oh, what the?
Oh, this is how Joshua Choi pleasures himself.
Oh, can you do it? Can you do it? Sam.
I'm a professional.
Oh, the focus. There we go.
It's like having another limb. Oh, what's this? One Night Werewolf. Is this
Looks
a
like
game?
Card game.
Is this the game Werewolf?
Oh, might be. Yeah, it might be. I think it is.
I love
Like
that game.
card form.
Yeah.
And this looks like Town of Salem.
Oh. Damn. This is legit.
Oh, it's Saboteur.
Oh.
Saboteur.
Saboteur. Japanese form. No, put it back. No. Fuck. I don't like how its nails are painted.
Wait, can you shoot a funny meme for me?
Sure. I'll double it.
Okay, so just record that portrait, and then we just go.
Go.
Recording? Hey, spaghetti and meatball. Hey, spaghetti and meatball.
Fuck, man. Funny meme. Spaghetti meatball. That's all just monkeys. Planet of the Apes. How do I?
Grab
Let's see what you get. You can get an alpaca, a dog, a bear, a bunny, an owl, and a seal. It's 10.
Very anticlimactic.
Yeah, just rip it. What you get?
I got the weird, creepy owl.
You got the owl?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so small. So
I
cute.
got the creepy owl.
Oh yes. Oh, that's like the where the wild things are.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ideally, I would have wanted the bunny. I can't be spending so much cash.
Should I try?
I really
If I get the bunny, I'll trade.
If you get, get one.
Hold.
Oh, what? Which one did you get?
Why do you have condoms in your
They
fucking...
fell.
Uh-oh. Now we know what he's been up to.
Crap. Does anyone
Sex hours.
have 100?
Rummage through their tie.
It's not in there. You haven't spun it enough. On the whitey.
You get gypped.
Please get the bunny.
These are blank dot.
You can draw whatever.
They're just cubes.
I got the owl as well.
You got the
I
owl.
got the
he got
owl.
the owl as well.
What are the chances of that? Double owl.
Double owl.
That's okay. One trade.
One and three.
Okay, do they have it? Let's look if they have a Switch. Let's look if they have a goddamn Switch, for God's sake. Sammy! Could it be?
No, it's the jump.
I know. Grab the robot. Grab the robot. Grab the robot. Walker.
Yeah.
What is that? That it's playing on?
Yeah, but it's playing on okay.
It looks like it plays Genesis games.
This is Mega Drive. Oh, this thing. It looks like a handheld. Yeah, it's got the Mega Drive stuff in it, so it's playing Mega Drive games.
Okay.
That's why it's playing Michael Jackson doing one.
Did you find a Dreamcast controller?
I'm just gonna get the actual Dreamcast.
You're gonna get the entire thing.
It's just the individual.
How much is it?
It's like
5,000. Oh, you could totally do that. But does it even work?
Yeah, this works.
Does it have the cables and stuff?
Yep.
Damn, you should get a Dreamcast. How much is it?
It's $4,980. Can I add this on top? So a total of 6K.
Which one? Oh, I thought you were pointing to the raunchy one.
No, not the project.
It's a special Dreamcast for special times.
Nice.
Got it?
Got it.
Hey.
Mint condition.
Mint condition.
It doesn't have that much yellowing. I'm okay with that.
It's just a few decades old.
Mint condition, dude. That's bad. Yeah.
You don't even have games for it though.
That's fine. The console is the most expensive part.
Wait, was that all your money again?
No. I still have $100
Okay,
for 5 days.
that's good.
That's better.
Okay. What was it last
$20
time?
a day. It's fine.
What was it last time?
Last time it was
$70 for
it is
10 days.
for 10 days.
You gotta stop doing this to yourself.
No, never. Dreamcast for life.
I finally got a Dreamcast. No
Shit.
games, but he's finally got it.
Find a way to get to work with
You're gonna have dinner with your mum and you'll be like, Mum, I got a Dreamcast. Oh, that's nice, kid.
I also have my PSP in my bag. Look what I'm spending my money on.
I have no money, Mum.
This is my graduation money from my grandma. I'm spending it on Dreamcast.
Grandma's money. Being put to good Dreamcast.
Right now.
There's something on the floor there, so I'm just gonna pick that up.
Oh, okay.
That's a free piercing, my friend.
What is it? Is it a dinosaur?
It's even got everything on it.
What?
It's like they just dropped it. Free piercing. I'm taking that shit.
Yo, that was so close. Yo, archery is damn fun. That's it for now. Damn it. Time's up.